Hey guys, I just got this brand new shower head. This is going to be perfect for this space. As you can see here, this is going to be a huge upgrade from what I've used previously. So I'm going to go ahead and install this new one, show you what all comes with it. Right here, right out of the box here, we've got the handheld, the line for the handheld, and then the large shower head here. Just really nice. Has the nozzles on the back and bottom of it and the holder on the side. So we're going to get this installed real quick. Alright, this is all installed. Very simple install process. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see how it performs. So that's a neat feature. Just coming out of here, you see this kind of a waterfall kind of look here. We can adjust that with the nozzle here. And here we have more of a spray feature when we turn that. And now we have that waterfall feature here. And we can adjust this however we would like it. Very convenient, easy to use. And I like having this knob down here that controls everything, including this nozzle down here, which is just awesome for washing down walls or for washing down a kid or a dog. You also have this feature here. If you would like more of a pressure washer sprayer, it does have that. And you can easily spray down the shower. And that is controlled by this button here. And then you can also adjust right in here. So this button right here can go several different settings, kind of a mix. This is the straight on waterfall. And there's your kind of sprayer and the mix in between. So whether you're wanting to water something down or to spray it down, it's got it covered and everything in between. Overall, this shower head is really nice. It has a great feature here just to really get you completely showered off. This is a spa-like atmosphere and I absolutely love it. Giving the customization of several different options as far as how you want to use it and what your preference is absolutely wonderful. I like having the handheld for kids or for dogs or just for yourself in different areas. It's absolutely perfect. So if you're looking for style, functionality, and a spa-like atmosphere, this right here is an absolutely great option for you to consider.